Fellow Toastmasters, I'm Rose Abbott, your District 52 Director. This week, I'd like to congratulate our division directors for taking on leadership of our areas and clubs. Division A, Lupita Damian. Division B, William Tappan. Division D, Ruchi Agarwal. Division E, Vanessa Herrera. And Division F, Keith Birch. For a limited time, area director roles are still available. Sign up before September 1st to get DTM credit for your service this term. Are you enjoying the benefits of your Toastmasters membership? Club VP membership. Now is the time to reach out to your members to submit dues renewal payments no later than October 1st. The first club in each area to submit 100% of their dues will receive a Toastmasters gift certificate. District 52 is launching two exciting new programs to build club connections: the Club Ambassador Program and Club Embassy Program. A club ambassador is someone who visits 3 non-home clubs and provides feedback. The club ambassador will receive a pin. A club embassy is when 5 or more members from a single club visit non-home clubs. The club will receive a ribbon for their club's banner and Toastmasters store gift certificate. Save the date. Club Growth Forum is taking place on September 10. Discussion topics include membership retention, membership growth, and hosting hybrid meetings. Good news! Additional club officer training dates are now open for registration. There are a limited number of spots, so be sure to get your club officers trained by 8/31 to earn DCP points for your club. Registration is open for District 52 educational workshops on Tuesday, August 16 at 6 to 8 p.m. The workshop topics are storytelling, social media, pathways, and leadership. Click on the link below to register. And finally, you won't want to miss the Toastmasters International Convention next week on Tuesday, August 17 through Saturday, August 20. Register to gain access to educational workshops, the annual business meeting, and the international speech semifinal contest, where District 52's very own Harriet Kamiko Brown will compete for a spot on the World Champion of Public Speaking stage. Click on the link below to register. I encourage everyone to make the most of your Toastmasters membership. Participate in pathways, build a new club, and grow club membership by inviting a friend. Together, we will work to achieve Smedley Distinguished District status.